Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on OPPO Reno10. And to do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on top of the screen, that's a phone call speaker. Then we have another one at the bottom right here. And I think that's all of the speakers on this device. We can also check if that's a speaker. And now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that means this device does have the stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try it out. So I can confirm that the sound is coming from a bottom speaker and the top phone call speaker as well, but the sound is not coming from this gaps, and I think that's not the speaker but the microphone. But I can confirm that this device does have the stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.